Why do I do city reaching? Well, part of it is that I believe that it's God's heart to reach the cities with His gospel. And I am also convinced that no one local group or one local congregation or ministry has the capacity to reach a city or community. God's called His church, the body of Christ, I believe, to serve together. And so my heart, my commitment is to encourage as many men, women, and young people as possible to partner, to collaborate in their own cities and their own communities to pull together the resources that God has gifted the body of Christ with and to be able to apply those resources in the advancement of the gospel of Jesus Christ. So I do what I do because, first of all, I have come to know and to love and to worship and to serve Jesus Christ. And I want as many people as possible to also come to know, love, worship, and serve Jesus Christ. This is part of the whole heart of what we consider the city reaching movement. If there's any resource here that can help you, that can be a blessing to you, it's yours. This site is your site. So thanks for coming. Thanks for being a part of it. We come back. Come back often. You'll find some great tools to help you. In particular, on a monthly basis, we have our monthly conference call. If you've not been a part of that, I encourage you to be a part of it, to join every third Thursday, 10 a.m. Central Time. Again, Jarvis with cityreaching.com. Thanks for being with us.